This is Cala the cat, and let me tell you about her. Cala the cat unfortunately passed away on May 30th, 2024, at the age of 12, due to old age in her owner's hearts. Now, she's also a rescue cat, and she went viral after the I Go Meow song, which is basically what she's known for, the I Go Meow meme. But she was very loved. She got 16 million likes and 100 million views on her video. So her owner was Elizabeth Toff that announced that she passed away, and she went very viral, and a channel remade the I Go Meow song to I Go Now. I just miss her. Basically, my mom showed this to my mom showed this to me a few months ago, about the month or so before it. They said that she passed away, and I loved her. I loved her with a passion. She was my favorite cat. Like, I also missed my other cat that passed away because he was really sick as well, but he was super young. He was only like a year and a couple months old. And she actually did pass away. I'm not believing what the people on the internet said. I'm believing what Siri said. Earlier today, I asked Siri what happened to Cala, and Siri said that Cala passed away on May 30th, 2024, due to old age in her owner's arms, surrounded by multiple other family members. My eyes widened. My eyes widened when I heard that. Basically, I told Siri thank you. It just keeps on getting worse and worse. Like, it just keeps on getting sadder, guys. So, yeah. Everyone loved her, and but the thing is, Elizabeth Toff adopted her thinking she was a young kitten. But whenever Cala was at the vet, they speculated that she was very sick, and this one cat Elizabeth Toff thought was a kitten was actually a very sick 12-year-old cat that actually knew how to speak and made the famous I Go Meow meme. And got a lot to say. If you never heard of her before but you really want to see her, search up I Go Meow on TikTok and you'll find a TikTok of her. Bro, why does my phone keep on notifying? Okay, I'm back. So yeah, Cala is her name. She passed away due to old age. Still miss her. And you might already know this, but Doge passed away too. So does Keyboard Cat. So does Grumpy Cat. They all passed away. Like, they have all went up there. Like, rest in peace to all the legends. Those seem to be the most popular on this list out of Cala, Keyboard Cat, and Grumpy Cat. Another Shiba Inu died, but you might know that. And his meme was created in 2017. And wait, somebody in my chat just typed, what else do I have to say? Well, the other Shiba Inu's name was, so let me see. His name was Cheems, who created the bonk meme, basically hitting one of his clones on the head with a baseball bat. He passed away on August 8th, 2023. You might know Gabe passed away too, long back, at 12 years old, known for his iconic bark. So basically, Cala was also a rescue cat, but spent most of her life somewhere else. Yeah. Okay, so guys. Okay, alright. Alright, so hang on, let me turn that. Okay! So I'm about to play the Go Meow meme cat. Excuse me. Okay, I'm setting it up right now. Okay, guys, I played you the song, and you can see the full song in my description. Like and subscribe, guys. Peace.